Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Building your own PC is like assembling a high-tech puzzle, except this puzzle plays games, streams movies, and brings your digital dreams to life. It might seem daunting at first, but trust me, with a little guidance, anyone can do it. Imagine this: a PC tailored to your exact needs and desires. Want to play the latest games at max settings? No problem. Need a workstation to power through demanding tasks? You got it. Building your own PC gives you the freedom to choose every component, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your requirements and budget. But it's not just about functionality, it's about the journey of creation. The satisfaction of slotting in each component, connecting the wires, and finally hitting that power button to witness your creation come alive is an experience like no other. It's about taking control, learning new skills, and joining a vibrant community of PC builders. So whether you're a seasoned techie or a curious beginner taking your first steps into the world of PC building, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to embark on this exciting adventure. Get ready to unleash your inner tech wizard and build a PC that's uniquely yours. At the core of every computer lies the CPU, the brain that orchestrates every task and calculation. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, directing all the other components to work in harmony. The CPU's power is measured in cores and clock speed. More cores mean better multitasking, while higher clock speed translates to faster processing. For gamers, a multi-core CPU with high clock speed is crucial for smooth gameplay, especially in CPU-intensive titles. Content creators, on the other hand, might prioritize a CPU with even more cores to handle demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Choosing the right CPU depends on your specific needs and budget. Intel and AMD are the two main players in the CPU arena, each offering a range of processors for different use cases. Intel's Core i5 and i7 processors are popular choices for gaming and general use, while their Core i9 series caters to high-performance needs. AMD's Ryzen processors offer compelling alternatives, often providing more cores at competitive prices. When selecting a CPU, compatibility is key. Make sure the CPU you choose is compatible with your chosen motherboard, as different CPU sockets require specific motherboard chipsets. Researching and comparing different CPU models and their benchmarks will help you make an informed decision based on your requirements. Next up, we have the GPU, the visual maestro responsible for rendering everything you see on your screen, from stunning game worlds to high-resolution images and videos. Think of it as the artist of your PC, painting pixels with precision and speed. The GPU's performance is determined by factors like its processing power, memory capacity, and memory bandwidth. Gamers, especially those who crave high frame rates and immersive visuals, often prioritize GPUs with powerful processing capabilities and ample video memory. Content creators working with graphics-intensive applications also benefit from high-end GPUs as they accelerate rendering times and enable smoother workflows. NVIDIA and AMD are the dominant forces in the GPU market, both offering a wide array of graphics cards to suit different budgets and performance levels. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX series is renowned for its real-time ray tracing capabilities, delivering lifelike lighting and reflections in supported games. AMD's Radeon RX series offers stiff competition, often boasting impressive performance per dollar. Selecting the right GPU involves considering factors like your monitor's resolution and refresh rate, the types of games or applications you'll be running, and your budget. Compatibility with your motherboard and power supply is crucial, as GPUs require specific power connectors and PCIe slots. RAM, or random access memory, is your computer's short-term memory, storing data that the CPU needs to access quickly. Think of it as your PC's mental workspace, where it keeps frequently used information readily available. The more RAM you have, the more tasks your computer can juggle simultaneously without slowing down. For smooth multitasking and a responsive computing experience, having sufficient RAM is crucial. Gamers will benefit from 16 gigabytes or more of RAM, as modern games often demand significant memory resources. Content creators working with large files and demanding applications might even opt for 32 gigabytes or more to ensure optimal performance. DDR4 is the current standard for RAM, offering a good balance of speed and affordability. DDR5 is the newer generation, providing even faster speeds, but it comes at a premium. When choosing RAM, pay attention to its speed, measured in megahertz. as faster RAM can improve overall system responsiveness. Compatibility with your motherboard is essential when selecting RAM. Motherboards support specific RAM speeds and generations, so ensure your chosen RAM modules are compatible with your motherboard's specifications. It's also a good idea to install RAM modules in matching pairs for build. Section 6. Storage Solutions, HDD versus SSD. Storage is where your operating system, applications, games, and files reside permanently. You have two main options, HDDs and SSDs. HDDs, or hard disk drives, are the traditional spinning platters, offering large storage capacities at affordable prices. SSDs, or solid-state drives, use flash memory, providing significantly faster read and write speeds, resulting in quicker boot times, faster application loading, and snappier overall performance. For your operating system and frequently used applications, an SSD is highly recommended. Its speed boost will make a noticeable difference in your daily computing experience. HDDs are still a cost-effective option for storing large files like movies, music, and less frequently used applications. SSDs come in different form factors, with 2.5-inch SATA SSDs being the most common. NVMe SSDs, which connect directly to the motherboard's PCIe lanes, offer even faster speeds but at a higher cost. When choosing storage devices, consider your budget, storage needs, and the available SATA and PCIe connections on your motherboard. It's also a good idea to have a backup solution in place to protect your valuable data in case of drive failure. External hard drives or cloud storage services offer reliable ways to back up your important files and ensure peace of mind. Section 8. Case Closed. Selecting your PC's home. The PC case houses and protects all your precious components, providing a framework for your build and influencing its overall aesthetics and cooling capabilities. Cases come in various sizes, designs, and materials, catering to different tastes and preferences. Full-tower cases offer ample space for multiple GPUs, large coolers, and extensive storage options. Mid-tower cases strike a balance between size and expandability, while mini ITX cases are ideal for compact builds with limited space. When choosing a case, consider its airflow, cooling options, cable management features, and compatibility with your chosen motherboard and components. Good airflow is crucial for keeping your components cool and preventing thermal throttling, which can impact performance. Look for cases with well-placed fan mounts, dust filters, and options for liquid cooling if you plan on pushing your components to their limits. Cable management features like grommets, tie-down points, and shrouds help keep your build tidy and improve airflow. Section 9. Assembling the masterpiece, a step-by-step guide. Now comes the exciting part, assembling your custom PC. With all your components gathered and your workspace prepped, let's dive into the step-by-step process of putting it all together. Carefully align the CPU with its socket on the motherboard. Gently lower it into place and secure the lever. Apply thermal paste to the top of the CPU before attaching the cooler. Open the clips on the RAM slots, align the RAM modules with the notches, and press down firmly until they click into place. Place standoffs in the PC case to elevate the motherboard, align it with the I/O shield, and screw it into place. Open the rear case slot for the topmost PCIe slot, align the GPU with the slot, and push it down firmly until it clicks. Place the PSU in its bay, connect the appropriate cables to the motherboard, GPU, and storage devices, and route them neatly for optimal airflow. Connect your SSDs and HDDs to the appropriate SATA ports and secure them in their respective bays. Connect your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals. Double-check all connections, power on your PC, and enter the BIOS setup to configure boot order and other settings. Section 10. Troubleshooting and BIOS settings. Congratulations on reaching the final stages of your PC build. Before you boot into your operating system, let's cover some troubleshooting tips and essential BIOS settings. Check the PSU switch, power cord, and connections. Ensure the power supply is properly plugged into the motherboard and other components. Verify the monitor cable is connected to the GPU, not the motherboard. Reseat the GPU and ensure it's properly powered. Check the boot order in the BIOS and ensure the correct drive is selected as the boot device. Reseat the storage devices and ensure they're properly connected. Set the boot priority to your desired boot device, usually the SSD or HDD with your operating system installed. Enable the XMP profile for your RAM to ensure it runs at its advertised speed. Adjust the fan curves for your CPU and case fans to optimize cooling and noise levels. Section 11. Conclusion. Congratulations on your custom PC build. Congratulations on successfully building your own custom PC. You've embarked on a journey of learning, problem solving, and ultimately, creation. Your hard work has culminated in a machine that's uniquely yours, tailored to your exact needs and preferences. As you power on your creation and witness the fruits of your labor, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of hardware and software that brings it all to life. You've joined a community of PC enthusiasts who share a passion for technology and the satisfaction of building something from the ground up. Your journey doesn't end here, though. The world of PC building is constantly evolving, with new components and technologies emerging all the time. Embrace the opportunity to learn, experiment, and continually upgrade your system to stay at the forefront of computing power and performance. Now go forth and explore the vast digital landscapes that await you, armed with the knowledge and confidence of a true PC builder.